Alright, what's going on, people? This Kelvin Kid, and USD Chef performed last night. We was waiting on it. We was waiting through a lot of turbulence. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on, what was going on, and while we had to wait for this bounce. But my initially move, my first loss was with this pair, and it's simply because I didn't go to the monthly and mark up my chart. Right, let me just do this. Yeah, right there. See that down candle? Boom. If I would have marked that first loss, the first trade I had with this pair, wouldn't have been a loss because I would have known it was trying to attack that area. But instead, I took the buy early, and let's see what it did. Let me show you where I lost that. So yeah, I think it was right up in this area. Boom. And I think I had it like right here. And it did give some pips because it shot up and I waited for it to come back down. And I think we took it right here. And we got a few pips out of that, like 50 pips. But then it just reversed. Boom, and it shot down. So that's when I was like, every time I lose, I kind of, see what happened. And I clicked the monthly and I seen this down candle and that's what it was attacking. So I knew I can just continue in that trade. If continue to trade that pair because I knew where it was going and what it was trying to do. So what happened was it tapped that area, as you can see right here, and it gave a reaction. Now we got in on a 15-minute. Let me just drop down to the 15-minute. Let's see. Yeah, so we got in right here. And this what I had to sit through for a day or two. And this is what I don't like about trading. I hate it because it's just back and forth. Now we initially got up to about 30 pips right here. Then it shot back down. Then it shot up, then it shot back down, and that's what we got this at right there. So I don't like being, and as a swing trader, you don't like to be in stuff like this because it just, it's overwhelming because it just sits there and just do this all the time. And sometimes when it does this, it don't respect your analysis, and it tends to go the opposite way sometimes. But it hit our favor this time. But overall, when it does this, look at this. See that? It did the same thing right here. And I'm thinking it's just, this pair in particular, look at this. Does this a lot, and I might just take this one off my list because I don't like dealing with that. I'm sorry. Look at this. It did it right here. Come on. It did it right here. And it's just observation, that you guys can start to see the behavior in some of these pairs. It did it right here. Oh my God. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking this one off my list. I'm not gonna be watching this one no more because I don't like this. But other than that, AG, EG, look at that, what else they got? And it still bounced off of that. You see that? GBP USD. Still hanging up there. But yeah, that's the trade we about to close this because I don't like trading on Fridays. So we at 47 pips. Let me just go back to the 4 hour. So yeah, we at 47 pips. I'm gonna just close. I'm gonna just leave a small percentage on. Let me see how I do this. Modify order. I'm gonna just do it over the phone. I hate doing it over this computer. Give me 1 second. You'll see it change right here. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna take majority of it off because I don't feel like watching this trade. It's gonna leave that small 0.01 on. Put that sucker. Let's see where we're gonna put this at. We're gonna put it at break even, so a little bit above break even. So $1. We're not risking nothing. It's a risk-free trade now. So we just gonna let this play out until it hits our target or it hits my stop loss at $1. So that's what we at with it. One loss, one win. This week. My loss was what, 30 something pips. So we got that and a little bit more back off of this trade. But as you can see, let me just look at some of these pairs. Yeah, let me look at some of these pairs for right now. Hold on. This one is setting up for a good one. AJ. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Hold on. All right. NZD USD. We just go out to the weekly, see what's going on. All right. This might be a good trade to trade next week. Oh, we're going to be paying attention to that one probably. Euro NZD. Let me see what that's looking like. That's looking like a potential one. GBP, JPY. Not yet. You know what, bro? I'll just deal with that whenever it comes back. But that's where we at, people. This is a winner. We had to hold it for a while, but it popped. It hit my first level, so we just took profits because I don't think it's gonna come way up here today. So I think it's gonna either bounce down or bounce back up next week. But I'm not trading this pair. I'm gonna take this pair off once I close this trade because I don't like the way this thing be moving. As you can see from history, how it stalls like that, and I hate that, But it is what it is, and yeah. So it took us a while, people, but we got it, and we recovered some of our money and made a little more. And that's the game of trading, right? You lose some, you win some. Just stick to your plan. And people talk about this 70% win rate. I think your win rate your win rate changes. Like let's say you do that every month. Like this month your win rate will be like say 50%. Next week your win rate might be. Next month might be 30%. Something like that. You gotta base it on amount of trades. Not just you understand. So it's just things like that. People just saying that they got a 90% win rate, 90% winning strategy. When in reality, you got to base it on time. How many times you trading in that month, and every month is going to be different from that previous month. So your win rate is going to fluctuate, and it's not going to stay the same. So you can have a good strategy, but your win rate is going to fluctuate. So when you hear people online saying that stuff, you got to consider that. You just got to consider the worst and the best. But that's just something to think about because I know you probably see me winning a lot, and like I do lose, but I only take them A1 setups, and everything that meets my criteria. But my win rate changes throughout the month because every month is different, and every day is different in these markets, and every trade is different. So, and sometimes you go on streaks, sometimes you go on winning streaks and losing streaks, but overall, you just gotta stick to the process and maintain your game plan. But other than that, man, stay focused and just continue to do what you do and learn from your mistakes. Like I learned from this mistake right here. I should have went to the monthly and marked up that down candle so I can kind of get an idea where it was heading. But instead, I got in early and we made a little pips, but we didn't take advantage of it, and that's why I always take pips at 50 and 100 pips. I mean, take profits at a percentage at 50 and 100 pips. But other than that, man, yeah, man, trading is just boring, and sometimes it's confusing. This sometimes I want to say, but you just gotta know your game plan and know your rules. But other than that, there was a winning. There was a I want to say break even week. We got a little profit from this week, but other than that, it still came out good. And yeah, man, just keep it simple. But I'm not gonna be doing this every day because it is stressful sometimes. Just making these videos. Um, with these trades stalling like this. Let me just go to the 15. Like it is stressful making these videos, and when price is just stalling like this, I feel like it's a waste of time. So I'm gonna have to kind of figure out how I'm gonna post these videos, but I will be making separate videos for myself to study and still showing you guys my live trades. But other than that, man, I'm gonna still be posting regardless. But yeah, just keep your game simple and stick to your plan, and that's it, man. That's all you can do. And just make money. No matter how much money you make, man, anything is better than nothing. So don't try to get rich quick, people. I'm telling you, because you're gonna put yourself in a hole. But other than that, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all get at your boy, man.